Oppo's sub-brand Realme has always tried to undercut Xiaomi in the Indian market for its value for money proposition, and Realme C1 is no exception. This smartphone is trying to redefine the budget segment and offer as much as possible under 8,000 rupees. But is the Realme C1 the real budget king, or the lower price point means a compromise? Let's check out in this video. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and smash that little bell icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Unboxing the Realme C1 include some user manual, a transparent silicone case for protection, the phone itself, charging adapter, and a micro USB cable. Now let's quickly boot up the phone. The Realme C1 comes with 6.2-inch HD Plus notch display and not the regular Full HD Plus resolution. The screen quality seems good and is bright enough in most conditions. On the back, you get the glossy finish that is actually a polycarbonate plastic, but it doesn't get any fingerprint scanner. The overall design is something unique at this price point, but no fingerprint scanner is a huge downside for many people. On one side, you get triple SIM card slot and volume buttons. The power button sits on the other side. On the bottom, you get speaker grills, micro USB port, microphone, and a headphone jack. Coming to the internals, you get the Snapdragon 450 coupled with 2GB of RAM and 16GB storage. It also packs a 4200 mAh battery. This phone runs on ColorOS 5.1 interface based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It does get AI face unlock feature for some added security. It is kind of a gimmick that works sometimes in good lighting conditions, but in some cases it takes more time to unlock, or it even completely fails to unlock and it can be fooled easily. Other features include the navigation gestures that work flawlessly and is also simple to operate. There are many multiple ways of using it, so you can set your favorite style according to your preference. Talking about the actual performance, this phone handles all of your day-to-day tasks without any problems. But we have seen Snapdragon 450 on other phones too with great performance. But the optimization of this chip on the Realme C1 is not the best, and you do notice some lag in animations while using applications. I hope this will be fixed with a software update, but as of now it's not a great experience when it comes to performance. I wouldn't complain much about the RAM management as it only has 2GB of RAM, but don't expect this phone to keep all of your apps in memory, because it will kill some of the apps in background when you are using other applications. Watching videos and media consumption is an amazing experience with bright display panel, and color contrast is also good. The speaker output is also loud and crisp, so you will love watching movies on this device. Now let's talk about the important aspect, the cameras. It gets 13 plus 2 megapixel dual cameras and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. You do get a portrait mode and 3D stickers for some cool looking pictures. The camera quality is good in daylight with some good level of details, but it does struggle in harsh lighting. The overall camera performance is average as you would expect at this price, and you can record videos up to 1080p Full HD resolution. So the Realme C1 offers a unique design with dual cameras, great battery life, a good looking display, but it doesn't offer consistent performance and a fingerprint scanner. If you are looking for some secondary phone or you wanna use it for some casual calling and some social media activity, then buying Realme C1 makes a good sense. Else, I would recommend you to add 2000 more and get a better value phone, or even you can look at the Redmi 6, which recently got a price cut and now is priced under 8000 rupees. So if you like to see more honest opinions, then like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Till then, keep loving your gadgets.